The man accused of shooting and killing Greensboro police officer Michael Horan made his first court appearance today. Fox 8's Elijah Skipper was there when McMillan made his first appearance in court. So Elijah, what happened in court today?
Yeah, this case was different than any other I've covered. From the moment we arrived here, things were sombered and filled with emotion. They had media line up here outside the courthouse around 10 a.m. this morning. We were escorted in up to the courtroom by Guilford County Sheriff's Office. When we walked in the room, we were greeted by the room filled with law enforcement and later Officer Horan's family. By the time the proceedings began, the courtroom was standing room only. Just after 11 a.m., Judge Michelle Fletcher entered the courtroom and proceedings began. Terrell McMillan then appeared virtually from the Guilford County Detention Center and was informed of his charges, which include first-degree murder and 2 felony counts of fleeing to elude arrest. The judge appointed the Capitol Defender's Office to represent McMillan and denied any modification to his bond and said he will remain in custody. The district attorney's office acknowledged the overwhelming support in the room, but said they had no motions to be heard at this time. A motion to preserve evidence filed by the defense was signed off by the judge. Before the hearing ended, McMillan was heard virtually saying, "I have a question, ma'am," but that call was abruptly cut off.
Terrell McMillan, you are before me for a first appearance today. The purpose of a first appearance is to advise you of what you have been charged with, the maximum punishment that you could face if you were convicted of these offenses, as well as addressing representation, as well as addressing your court date. All right, you are before me today because you have been charged with first-degree murder of Greensboro police officer Michael Horan. The maximum punishment you could face on that if you were convicted is the death penalty, and or life in prison without parole.
McMillan's next court date is scheduled for March 20th in this same courtroom. On the way out, I spoke with Mayor Nancy Vaughn, who was in attendance today. I asked her why she wanted to be here. She said the same reason as anyone else, to see that justice is served and that to support Officer Horan's family. In Greensboro, Elijah Skipper, Fox 8 News.
Elijah, thank you. A lot of people spent the holiday remembering Officer Horan. He was shot and killed Monday while responding to a call about a person with a handgun in a Food Lion store on the north side of Greensboro. The suspect then ran from the scene and was later captured after a brief chase. Officer Horan leaves behind a wife and 2 children. The Food Lion was closed for the investigation after the shooting on Monday, and it reopened today. And a fundraiser set up for Officer Horan's family. You can find it on helpahero.com. It's on their front page, or if you click on the donate tab, there's a search bar. You can also scan the QR code that we can show you in a minute, I think, to send you a direct link right there to the site. 100% of the proceeds will go to Horan's immediate family.